Alright, so today we're checking out this map. We're going to take a look here. Leaderboards. 204. I've already done a 9-second, so it shouldn't be too bad. I should just be a little quick run up, get back in this, get used to it again, and then just rip one out. So I'm at 204 ranking, which means I probably just need a couple milliseconds to really cinch into that sub 200 range. Unfortunately, we got a lot of people flying with us, which can be a little bit distracting. Let's see where this puts us. Okay, 1094. Okay. Just turn up the speed a little bit. Oh, or not. Obviously, the difference between a good flyer and one of the best is pretty significant. In that top 100 range, we have this guy, Rich DeBroken. He's a top 100 flyer for this, and he's sitting at that sub 6-second rate for this map. But I'm not too worried because part of the threshold is just knowing the course or being good at adapting, or both. Alright, now this one's a little bit of both. I just lost my number 2 spot, but that is okay. Just gotta get this speed up. This one might be a little bit longer. Just finishing this is hard. What's upsetting is it's only a figure 8, yet because of the way drones work, if you keep that perfect line through the whole course, you can just keep adding speed. But if you can't, making small adjustments hurts you more than helps. Like that. I gave it too many of the beans. Come on. So the radio I am using for this is the Radio Master Pocket. I got it off Facebook Marketplace for about 40 bucks. I think they go for about 50 to 60 on the Radio Master website, which honestly is not bad for the kind of quality of radio you're getting. Especially if it comes with the batteries. Oh, there we go. Nope, not any better. Oh, that was close. So the problem with my flying is I'm not super repeatable. If I get something good, I just get it that one time. See. Let me say. Oh, goodness. I feel like I look like an idiot. Well, I probably do, but that's what the road's about. Learning and becoming better. I took advice from a top I think he's top 10 on a lot of maps. The top 10 flyer. Hey, there we go. FPC fly. And he recommended mapping. Do one more just for good measure. Mapping your reset button to a button on your radio, and it speeds up the reset. That and then turning off the countdown. Typically, there's a 3, 2, 1 liftoff countdown on this game. Right now, there is not. Not having that countdown and mapping to your remote really makes it a lot easier. It's just bang out as many of these sets as you need to. All right, well, I think we're gonna call it there. Let's take a look, see how we did. With a 765, we got up to a 143. All right. Oh yeah, there he is. 4 seconds, sub 5 second zone. Well, I think we'll call that good. Not too shabby, folks.